This is a great lesson to conclude with. This is section 2.4, and what we're going to do in 2.4 is extend our ideas to more sets, but we're still going to be looking at the operations of intersection and union, and we will, toward the end of this lesson, look at some Venn diagrams. All right, for problem number 1, we're supposed to find A union B intersects C. So just like in algebra, I'm going to do what's in parentheses first. So I need to find B intersect C. What do sets B and C have in common? Well, they have a 5 and a 7 in common. Now I will look at the A union B intersect C. So I will combine with set A. I want the union of these two sets. So I need anything that's in any of them. I need a 1. I need a 2. I need a 5. Now 5 is in both of them, but I just write it down once. I need a 6 and a 7, and that will be the union of those. And that answer is choice A. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, I'm supposed to find A union B intersect A union C. So I need to find each one of those. A union B. It is combining A and B. So I need a 1, a 2, a 3, a 6, and a 10. I then need to look at A union C. That is combining A and C. I need a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 10. Let's see. I need a 1, 2, 3. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay. Now I want the intersection of those. So what they have in common. And so this intersection will have a 1. It will have a 2. It will have a 3. And it will have a 10. Oops, did I? Yes, I left out the 6. Sorry. So, 1, 2, 3, 6, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 10 is choice B. Number 3. I need the complement of A intersect B union complement of C. Okay, I've got lots to work with here. I need B union the complement of C. Okay, I think I'm going to back up more and find C complement. All right, it's everything that's in the universal set that's not in C. So I can't have 1, I can't have 2, I can't have 3, I can't have 4, I can't have 5. But up here I have a 6 and a 7. So that is the complement of C. I'm going to need the complement of A in my calculation, so I might as well get it. It's everything in the universal set that's not in A. So I can't take 1, I can't take 2, can't take 3, can't take 4, but 5, 6, and 7 are in that complement. So now I will look at B union C complement. So I am combining B and C complement. And that will give me the 1, the 2, and the 3 that come from B, and the 6 and 7 that come from C. Complement. All right. Now, I need the intersection between these two. What do they have in common? Well, it appears to me that they have a 6 and 7 in common, and that is choice C. So my recommendation to you is, if there are some complements, you probably need to take the time to find them. All right, let's take a look at this diagram, which is a Venn diagram. And the first, number 4 says, use the Venn diagram to show the answer, to answer the question below. Which regions, and the regions are the Roman numerals, represent set C? Now with the Venn diagrams, I find it helpful to do the highlighting. This is set C. And which regions represent it? I would say, and I think you can do these in any order, they are 4, 5, I almost wrote an Arabic numeral there, 6, and 7. Sometimes I cross those and sometimes I don't. That's pretty common. But let's see, represent C. Okay. Okay, I said 7, but it is this one right here, which is actually 8. So I hope that makes sense. It is not the 7. So it is this one, this one, this one, and this one, and it is 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay, so sorry about that. So you will type those, and they will go in, it just said list the regions. You're not writing a set. Okay, number 5. List the regions that represent B union C. Okay, so highlighter. B union C, here's B, and union with C. All right, this looks like a picture of B union C. So the regions that represents, and I guess we could go in any order, but I see region 2, not 3, because it's out here, region 4, region 5, region 6, 7, and 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the regions that are in B union C. Okay. Next one. List the regions that represent the set B intersect C. Now, I can do it in colors if you want, but I'm hopeful that you can see this kind of eye-shaped piece as being the intersection between B and C. You almost have to ignore A to do that. So the answer on this one is 5 and 6. Okay. Number 7, which regions represent the complement of C? That means everything except C. So definitely all of this. And up here. So I end up with a picture that has absolutely everything highlighted except C. So my answers are everything in the green area, which is 1, 2, 7, and 8. Those are the things that are in C, the complement of C, which means not C. Okay. The next one is we want to know what I'm supposed to list. Now I'm supposed to actually list elements in a set, not just naming regions. A union C, the complement. So what I'm going to do is in yellow, I'm going to do A union C. A union C is all of this. The complement of that is this. So A union C complement is in blue. So it will be 7, 8, and 19. So that is choice A. So it is A union C. When you say complement, then it's everything that's not in that union. All right, this time I'm supposed to find the list, the set, A intersect B. So can we find A intersect B? Okay, it is right here. So it is 7 and 13. This is our last one. I'm supposed to find A intersect B intersect C. All right. Now, what I'm finding are any elements that are in A, B, and C. Well, we can do it with color. In fact, I guess we will. All right. If A is yellow, and B is pink, now it's a little bit hard to tell, but right now the overlap for intersecting A and B is right here. It is this part. And now if I add a third color, intersect C, these colors did not really do what I had hoped they would do. The part that got colored 3 times is the only part that has elements in all of them. And it's right here. So there is only one element, which is in A and B and C. It is this triple overlap. It has the element 2. Okay, this just took us a little further, working with Venn diagrams and working with some listed sets, like up here where we have rosters. but looking at 3 sets certainly made us think about it a little bit more. So finish up your homework.